महाराष्ट्र में विशेष करके मुंबई, ठाणे, यहाँ से गुजरातियों को निकाल दो और राजस्थानियों को निकाल दो तो तुम्हारे यहाँ कोई पैसे बचेगा ही नहीं।
Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has landed himself in controversy and has sparked uproar in the state, saying that there will be no money left in Mumbai and it will cease to be the financial capital of the country if Gujaratis and Rajasthanis are removed from the city. The governor's remark has drawn criticism from the opposition parties and leaders. Speaking at an event in Mumbai, Koshyari said, "I tell people here that if Gujaratis and Rajasthanis are removed from Maharashtra, especially Mumbai and Thane, you will have no money and Mumbai will not be a financial capital."
लोगों से कहता हूँ महाराष्ट्र में कि भाई महाराष्ट्र में विशेष करके मुंबई, ठाणे, यहाँ से गुजरातियों को निकाल दो और राजस्थानियों को निकाल दो तो तुम्हारे यहाँ कोई पैसे बचेगा ही नहीं। ये राजधानी जो है, जो कहलाती है आर्थिक राजधानी कहलाएगी नहीं। कभी कभी मैं यहाँ लोगों से कहता हूँ महाराष्ट्र में कि भाई महाराष्ट्र में विशेष करके मुंबई, ठाणे, यहाँ से गुजरातियों को निकाल दो और राजस्थानियों को निकाल दो तो तुम्हारे यहाँ कोई पैसे बचेगा ही नहीं। ये राजधानी जो है, जो कहलाती है आर्थिक राजधानी कहलाएगी नहीं।
A release issued by the Raj Bhavan said Koshyari praised the contribution of Rajasthani, Marwadi and Gujarati communities in making Mumbai the financial capital of the country. The governor said that the Rajasthani Marwadi community is living in different parts of the country and also in countries like Nepal and Mauritius. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has condemned Governor B.S. Koshyari's speech. As soon as BJP-sponsored Chief Minister in Maharashtra, the insult of Marathi people began. Raut tweeted, while asking CM Shinde to at least condemn the governor. The Congress also criticized the governor over his statement and demanded an apology from him. State Congress spokesman Atul Londhe slammed the governor over his remark, saying that this smack of his hatred for the state. He also demanded an apology from the governor. Koshyari issued a clarification saying that his intention was not to hurt the sentiments of Marathi people. Marathi people's contribution is the most in bringing up Maharashtra. Mumbai is the pride of Maharashtra. It is also the financial capital of the country, stated Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari's office, clarifying his position regarding the speech in Andheri, Mumbai. Meanwhile, protests were held by the NCP workers in Maharashtra over Koshyari's remarks. The governor's responsibility to treat everybody equally. Governor is creating acrimony and division among the people. He has hurt people and is a regular offender. I request the president to remove the governor, NCP's MP Supriya Sule stated.